First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, the way that things have been. Oh, second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, drinking my salt into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, touching me, shooting me, feeling me, singing from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me a believer, believer. Days, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My life, my love, my time, it came from. You made me a believer, believer. Third things first, sing a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Your spirit up above. I was choking in the ground, building my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, never did, never did.